Good morning, all. Today we are going to see the presentation on outcome based education. When the traditional education is teacher centered, focus on teaching, and focus on syllabus completion, and having memory based exams, and having less emphasis on application, outcome based education is student centered, mainly focus on learning, outcome attainment, skill based assessment, and having strong practical applications. Outcome based education process in engineering generally follows vision and mission of the institute and department, program educational objectives, program outcomes and program specific outcomes, curriculum and course outcomes, teaching and assessment of the students, measure the attainment of outcomes, and finally improve the curriculum and teaching methods. Now, the vision and mission of our institute. Vision: to be a premier institution ensuring globally competent and ethically strong professionals. Mission is to provide higher education by refining the traditional methods of teaching to make globally competent professionals. To impart the quality education by providing the state of the art infrastructure and innovative research facilities. To practice and promote higher standards of professional ethics, transparency, and accountability. Vision of our department, that is humanities and sciences: to foster the excellence of analytical, critical, and speculative approaches of physical sciences and English so as to provide the firm foundation for intellectual and creative experiences as well as to enrich the students' lives, enabling them to meet the needs of the society. Mission: the department plays a pivotal role in preparing the students to face the challenges at the global level by imparting intensive training in English communication skills, ethics, mathematics, physics, chemistry, and environmental studies. It offers a platform to exhibit their hobbies such as literature, photography, etc., providing respective clubs and related faculty in the college. And now we'll see the course outcomes of Advanced Engineering Physics. These course outcomes are prescribed with respect to the syllabus unit wise. And the first unit is crystallography and materials characterization. The course outcome related to this unit is analyze crystal structures, identify defects, and apply XRD and SEM techniques for material characterization. And the second unit is quantum mechanics. And the CO related to it is apply quantum mechanical properties to explain particle behavior and energy band formation in solids. And third unit is dielectric and magnetic properties. The CO3 is classify dielectric and magnetic materials and explain their properties, synthesis, and applications. And the fourth unit is lasers and optical fibers. CO4 is explain the principles of lasers and fiber optics and their applications in communication and sensing. And the fifth unit is quantum computing. And CO5 is understand quantum computing concepts, classical bits and qubits, single and multiple qubits, and quantum gates. And there are 12 BTech program outcomes we prescribe, that is basic engineering knowledge, problem analysis, design and development of solutions, conduct investigations, modern tool uses, engineer and society, environment and sustainability, ethics, individual and teamwork, communication, project management, and finance. And the last one is lifelong learning. And here is the COPO mapping. Being a basic engineering course, being a basic science, advanced engineering physics is not mapped with all the program outcomes. It is related to some of the program outcomes and it is related to them only, exclusively. And here, 3 grades are given for the mapping, showing that 3 shows the high mapping, and 2 shows the medium mapping, and 1 shows the low mapping. And it is clear that basic engineering knowledge is going to map physics outcomes very strongly. Problem analysis is going to map our outcomes in a medium range. And next, designing and development of solutions, modern tool uses, ethics, and finally lifelong learning are going to map weekly with our subject. And now we'll see the unit wise skills to be attained by the students in advanced engineering physics. From our unit 1, that is crystallography and materials characterizations, students are expected to get the analytical skills, visualization of 3D structures, interpretation of experimental techniques. And from the second unit, that is quantum mechanics, they are expected to get the skills like mathematical problem solving, conceptual understanding of microphysics, application of theory to materials. From the third unit, that is dielectric and magnetic materials, they are expected to get material classification, application based thinking, and engineering relevance to these materials. From the fourth unit, that is lasers and optical fibers, they are expected to get the skills like concept to application linking, understanding modern technologies, and communication system basics. From the last unit, that is quantum computing, the students are expected to attain the skills like abstract thinking, modern computing concepts, and interdisciplinary understanding. That is the relation between physics and computer sciences. Finally, we expect these advantages of outcome based education for students, that is improves student learning, better employability, encourages practical knowledge, continuous quality improvement, international recognition. Thank you.